Welcome to the Mason Libraries tutorial on Advanced Search Strategies Part 2, Phrase Searching. After viewing this tutorial, you will be able to use quotation marks in your database searching. When searching in a database, a researcher may want to search for a phrase or a combination of words exactly. They want those words to be right next to each other in that order. A common example is the phrase special education. Let's go to an academic database and try searching for it in the abstract to help us more clearly see what is happening. It may appear that the database is giving us examples of the phrase together, as the database is automatically set to relevance searching. This means the database will put results with the terms close together at the top of the results list. Let's instead change this to date newest to get a better picture of the results. We can see in this example that the words special and education are included, but they are far apart. To prevent this from happening, we can put quotation marks around the term special education. We'll also see the number of results shrink, and we will now only see results where special education appears together as a phrase. We can also combine these into nesting searches. For example, let's imagine we have a research question involving special education and we want to be in high school or secondary school. We can search special education in quotation marks, then and, open parentheses, high school or secondary school, close parentheses, with both the terms high school and secondary school also being in quotation marks. One thing to remember is that, unless told otherwise, a database is going to search for articles that include exactly the keywords the researcher inputs. While this is true for any search, it becomes increasingly apparent for phrase searching. This means if we search the phrase school counselor, we will get different results than if we search school counselors. This may not be a huge change, but it can be important for some types of research methods. We will cover how to address this in the next video. Additionally, we should be cautious in using phrase searching if our words often include additional clarifying words in between them. For example, if we only search virtual classroom in quotation marks, but we also want results that are virtual reality classrooms, we won't get those with this type of search. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have other questions, please reach out to your appropriate liaison librarian.